know why it took me so long. You left to Arizona, I stayed in California.
Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mikey, and today we're gonna be doing is another live cop because everybody's been asking me to do another one on IG, and I did a poll on it as well, and it was 100% yes. So yeah, we're gonna be getting into this live cop pretty soon. It is 6:07 right now, so I still have about an hour and like 53 minutes. So yeah, it's 6 a.m. 6:07 right now. I'm pretty much just studying for my school and everything, studying this pop-up quiz and everything. You know, slight work, easy works, you know. Initially, I wasn't really going for anything this week. It was more of like a sleeper week to me. But a homie has hit me up and said, you know, I really want the Velvet Underground ringer tee. And I was like, alright, cool, bet. And then he also wants a keychain to go with it. And I was like, alright, cool, two items, cool. I guess I'm a proxy for him or whatnot, so I'm gonna make you proud. The drop shouldn't be too crazy today. A lot of people aren't really looking forward to it. However, I feel like the drop this week isn't really too bad. It's okay. But I would consider it a sleeper week when it comes to, I guess, reselling. I think the number one item everyone's trying to go for is the water bottles, paisley jacket, and the velvet hoodie. So I think that's what everybody's kind of going for right now, but I'm gonna be going for the low-key stuff, so not too crazy, not too bad. I think the keychain might sell out pretty quick, but I'm not sure. Keychains do usually stick around depending on what it is. And the ringer tee, I know is not a very hyped item either, so might be easy for me, so we'll just have to see. Alright, so I'm here and everything. So apparently Yeezy is supposed to be dropping something at 7 a.m. I just got this, so we're gonna try and go for some Yeezys. Website is breaking, of course it is. I'm not sure which one it is. I think it's a reflective pair of the Citrons or the Cloud Whites. Either way, I'm gonna see if I can try and go for these because I know that'd be pretty good profit if I can. Yeah, it's gonna be a struggle because the website is just breaking. Oh, there it is. It's reflective. Let's get it 8.5. Oh no. This isn't good, guys. It's broken already. Oh, I got one in the cart. Got one in the cart. 8.5.
Nope.
Oh my god, are you kidding me? Oops. Shit. Bro, it's in my cart. Oh my god. Shit is so bad. Oh, okay, I'm queued. Getting queued. Okay. Okay, buddy. Alright, wow. Let me check the Discord. So right now I'm queued for purchasing reflective Cloud Whites. So if I can get the Cloud Whites, bro, reflective as well, that's at least maybe $200 to $300 of profit. So can't really miss on that. I should have Yeezy Supply autofill on. I don't know if it's gonna do a ting. I should have that on. It's not looking good, guys. I'm getting queued right now, so it is what it is. Right now I'm on the Supreme as well. I'm just waiting it out. Alright guys, see, this is why having cut groups and everything like that is major key, because they'll literally tell you like when the next drop is, when it's happening, what is happening. I didn't even know the Cloud White reflectives were even gonna release, and I'm happy that I am in a Discord to where they tell me practically everything. It is Boone's Discord. If you don't know who Boone is, he's a great YouTuber, and you probably should go subscribe to his video. He makes good content. He makes live cops and what to resell and what not to resell. So I would highly look into him. He's really dope. I'm in his Discord, and basically everybody's super chill, super dope, and this is how I find out this is how I know the no. Some of them have memberships, some of them don't, so you might have to pay for some. Yeah, I would highly look into getting a Discord just for specific like reasons like that, because you just never know when anything's gonna drop. I didn't even know these were gonna drop originally. Not only the Cloud Whites are actually really dope colorway, in my opinion. I feel like it's one of the best colorways to come out this year. It's also reflective, so the Cloud Whites non-reflective are probably going to be maybe 100 to 180 profit. That's my guess. But the reflectives, I'm guessing to $200 $300 worth of profit. So if I can get the reflectives, that'll be dope. If I get the non-reflectives, then it's whatever. So I'm going for smaller sizes right now, because smaller sizes do usually resell the highest. I really want to get an 8.5, and if I don't get an 8.5, I'll go for a 9. It's gonna be another Yeezy day, bro. Like, I literally will spend the whole day getting those and still get all nothing but L's. I could have gotten a couple pairs of like some Yeezys, but I didn't really want the ones that they dropped, like the frozen yellows or the butters, not butters, the sesame. But I was like, I'm not really wanting those. I wanted the black ones initially, but those sold out fast. It's not looking good for your boy at all. Still queued. Staying here 7:30. Literally, Supreme's about to drop like literally in 30 minutes. Like, why am I even still doing this? Yeah. Alright, so what is good, y'all? It's damn near 8 o'clock. Supreme's about to drop in like 2 minutes. So I'm gonna tell you guys what I'm gonna go for. I'm gonna look at drop list right here, supremecommunity.com. Pretty good website. So the bottle's the #1 item right now. So I'm gonna be going for the keychain right here, and I'm also gonna be going for the ringer tee. Where is it? Right here. And it's gonna be black small for a homie. So those both are gonna be for the homie. What I would recommend getting is probably maybe a bottle and just hold it for a bit, because I think these are gonna go up in value eventually. Maybe not. They're pretty big. It's 20 ounce, so I mean, it's pretty dope. It's a pretty good size. Arc logo, I feel like they've been overusing Arc logo, so I'm not really. The Paisley, the Nico hoodie is pretty dope. I actually like the design. It's pretty fire. The keychain's pretty cool. Baseball jerseys, whatever. The cat tee is pretty dope. It's just $78. It's not worth. There's the Delta logo jackets. I really like the rayon shirts. The rayon shirts are actually pretty dope. I actually really mess with these. I like the black one and I like the white one. Those are pretty fire. For those I'd hold, because they may go up in value eventually. Maybe not. Depends on the design and the season. So right now it's probably gonna break because it's fall and winter. It's cooling down. You're not wearing a rayon shirt when it's like 60 degrees out, you know. All right, so we got 1 minute left. I have my accessories right here. I have the view all right here. I think the ringer tee is gonna be third to the bottom, so left. So hopefully I can cop that. It's 8 o'clock, so just gotta get ready. From what I heard, it's been kind of a dead week. Not really a whole lot of things sold out in a minute. And it's on, and we're on. Let's go get this money. Site's lagging, of course it is. Of course it is. Yo, what? Oh, shit. Oh. Okay. Accessories. Damn. I'm in a predicament. Hold on, guys. Oh no. Damn, that sold out fast. The website's super lagging right now. It is like super lagging right now. It's not looking so good for your boy. Alright, we cooked that. We cooked the keychain for sure, so that's cool. I probably sold it to him for like 50. That's actually crazy. It's sold. The small sold out as soon as I got into it, bro. That's crazy. I didn't expect that to happen, to be honest. So I was just left just medium, large, and extra large. So I messaged my man, see if like you want a medium maybe, but I highly doubt it. So Paisley sold out. Yep, for a fact. I knew that was gonna happen. Sold out. Except the black one or the navy. That one didn't sell out. Rayon shirts sold out. Let's see. None of the baseball jerseys sold out. None of the ringer tees sold out. Cat shirts are still online. Yeah, the site is super lagging right now. Holy shit. Oh wait. He wants the drawing tee. I remember him saying that. I could just remember that. Hold on. Sorry guys. It might be sold out already, but damn, I just thought of that. Hold on. Which one though? Drawing white. I don't know if it's gonna be a small though. Guys, the website is so bad. Oh, we got, okay, you can get small then. Oh, okay. As soon as I click onto it, it's sold out in small. Oh my god, I hate Supreme. The bottle's sold out. Keychain's still there. That is so bad. Damn. That is a shame. Does he want a black one, maybe? Yeah, all the smalls are out, dude. Every small's out. Yeah. Number one thing is never go for votes, because sometimes those could be bullshit. Like, I remember one rayon shirt was like super like not voted at all. It was like you saw nothing but red and dislikes. Next thing you know, that shit's worth 200 over retail. So like I said, just because like in Supreme you see like these little green things right here, there's dislikes and there's likes, don't believe in that. Don't believe in that shit sometimes, because sometimes you just never know with the resale market and everything, the quality, you don't have it, so you wouldn't know like what it's worth or how great it is. Obviously the Paisley jacket, least voted, but that's probably the most profitable item this week, so it just all depends. I don't think it's that bad looking. People just don't like things that aren't hyped up and not a box logo, so don't believe in the I caught the restock, guys. Oh, we in here like swimwear. Hold on. Oh, we're in here. Yo guys, we got it. We got it on the restock. You already know, restock gang out here. You know, we out here doing big things. I got him. I'm gonna message him now. So yeah, but I took a major W on my part, because that's the two items that he wanted. I got the two items, so yeah, dude, he's gonna be hyped. I already know that. So it ended up costing me $115.60 though. Alright, so it looks like your boy cooked. The boy got the ringer small black tee, and he's got the keychain, both of the items that my homie wanted. So W gang on my part. Also caught it on restock, so I kind of had a feeling it was going to be a restock, so I wasn't really big tripping, but I was pretty afraid at first, 'cause I was like, oh no, I didn't get the items that he wanted. But we got the items that he wanted, so we're taking W's, nothing else. Leave a like on this video if you love taking W's as much as I do. And also subscribe to me as well if you want more content like this. If you want me to do more live cops, just bump the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also comment down below what you got this week. I think the Paisley was like one of the most hyped items this week, but I ended up getting some items that weren't hyped up and I got a W, but they also look clean. So leave a comment down below what you think this week as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.